Hey guys, it's Julia and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be trying out this DIY that's been recommended to me on my YouTube homepage. It's this thing where you wrap a piece of paper like this in cling wrap and then iron it onto your shirt, and apparently it stays there without using any transfer paper or anything. But yeah, I'm just going to be trying this out. Anyways, let's just get into the video. The first thing you're supposed to do is cut your image out. So I'm gonna do that. Okay, I cut it out, and now you're supposed to wrap it in cling film. Also, I'm really all over the place today, and I forgot to mention that you're gonna need a shirt. Okay, so I'm just gonna wrap this up and I'll figure out how to do it, but I'll meet you guys after I'm done this. Okay, so I finished. Here's our magnificent piece of thing. I'm just going to plug the iron in, and one thing to make sure is to not have steam. Let's go plug in this iron. Okay, so there we go. The image is where I want it to be on. Okay, I have parchment paper.
Never touch a hot iron. What I just turn into a mom's cooking channel.
I'm just gonna go in for the kill. This looks like it's working. Oh, I didn't actually think this would work. If this works, I'm gonna be so impressed, and I'm literally gonna buy probably, I don't know, 10 t-shirts and just put memes and vines on them, and I'll be happy. Okay, it's still coming up, so I'm just gonna keep it on the corners because I can like peel it off pretty easily. This actually worked. I was not expecting this to work. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, make sure to leave a like down below, as well as subscribe to my channel and turn on post notifications so you guys know when I post and I know that I have supporters. So as always, make sure to comment some video ideas and also comment down below what's your favorite vine. Remember to do that. And yeah. Also, my Instagram, as always, will be linked down below, so make sure to go follow that. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!